In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save product pictures from Alibaba. Start by opening your web browser and heading to alibaba.com. You don't need a special account just to view listings, so once the homepage loads, focus on the search bar at the top. Click inside the search bar and type the name of the item you're researching. Be as specific as you can so you see the most relevant results, then press enter to load the search page. From the results, click the product listing that best matches what you're looking for. It helps to choose a listing with a good number of clear photos, since that will give you better options when saving images. This will open the product page. On the product page, you'll see a gallery of sample pictures. Click the main image or any of the thumbnails to open the larger detailed view. Many listings use a carousel or a pop-up gallery. Either way, you want the highest resolution version visible on your screen before you save it. If there's a zoom option, use it to ensure you're looking at the largest image. Now right-click on the image to bring up the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, use a two-finger click. On a Mac, you can also hold the Control key and click. In the menu that appears, choose Save Image As. If you don't see that option, try clicking to view the image in a new tab, or look for a download icon in the gallery controls. Some sellers also watermark images. That's normal and depends on the supplier. When the Save dialog opens, pick the folder where you want to keep your product photos. Consider using a dedicated folder for each product to stay organized. Rename the file to something descriptive, like the product name plus a variant or angle, so you can find it later. If you see a file type choice, leaving it as the default, usually JPG or PNG, is fine. Click Save, typically located at the lower right of the dialog. Your image will download to the folder you selected. It's a good idea to open the saved file and quickly check the resolution and clarity. If it looks blurry, go back to the product page. Open the largest view again and repeat the save process. You can repeat these steps for any other photos in the listing, such as different colors or angles. And always remember to respect supplier terms and intellectual property. If you plan to use images for public marketing, contact the seller for permission or request official licensed media. That's it. You've learned how to find a product, open its sample pictures, and save them properly from Alibaba.